Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the most honest and in-depth reviews to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at a game changer in the vacuum and floor care space, the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Plus. This isn't just your average vacuum. It combines the power of both a vacuum and a mop in one device. If you're dealing with a variety of floor surfaces and you're tired of switching between different tools, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's break down what makes this machine unique and see if it lives up to the hype. The Bissell Crosswave Cordless Plus is all about versatility. It's designed for use on a wide range of surfaces, including sealed hard floors and area rugs. What's remarkable is that it's both a vacuum and a mop, allowing you to clean both wet and dry messes in one go. Whether you're dealing with crumbs on your kitchen floor or pet hair scattered across your living room rug, the Crosswave promises to tackle it all, up to 1,900 square feet on a single charge. If you're wondering about the power behind this two-in-one cleaning system, let's get into the specifics. First, let's talk about suction. The Crosswave offers solid suction performance, with enough power to handle dust, debris, and pet hair across different floor types. On hard floors like tile or laminate, it picks up everything from fine dust to larger crumbs without leaving any residue behind. It performs pretty well on area rugs too, though it's best for light cleaning. If you're looking for something to deep clean high-pile carpets, this might not be the powerhouse you're after. Still, for a multi-surface tool, it gets the job done, and it's definitely designed for convenience in homes with a mix of flooring. Now the mop feature. Paired with Bissell's multi-surface concentrate formula, it's surprisingly effective for a product that's also a vacuum. The formula cleans without leaving streaks, and it refreshes your floors, giving them that shiny, clean feel without a lot of extra effort. One of the standout features here is the FurFinder Headlight Technology. It uses both high and low beams to illuminate hidden pet hair and other messes. It's a small detail, but it really helps when cleaning under furniture or in corners where pet hair tends to accumulate unnoticed. Battery life is another critical factor, especially for a cordless model. With the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Plus, you get up to 30 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which should be plenty for most homes. It covers a substantial area, and given its ability to transition from vacuuming to mopping without switching tools, it's a real time saver. The charging time is reasonable, though you might need to schedule a recharge for larger cleaning tasks if your home exceeds the coverage area. In terms of ergonomics, the Crosswave is fairly light and easy to handle. At just under 10 pounds, it's not the lightest option out there, but it's manageable for most people. It's designed to be easy to maneuver, with a swiveling head that helps you reach tricky spots around furniture and tight corners. That said, some users might find it a little cumbersome when cleaning stairs or for lifting to higher surfaces like shelves. The noise level is pretty typical for a cordless vacuum, which means it's not overly loud, but still noticeable. It's definitely quieter than many traditional vacuums, which is a bonus for those who value a quieter cleaning experience. The Tangle-Free technology in the brush roll is another great feature, particularly for pet owners. It reduces hair wrap, meaning you won't have to spend extra time detangling the brush after every use. This is a big win if you have long hair or pets that shed regularly. When it comes to maintenance, the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Plus is pretty straightforward. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the brush roll can be cleaned with minimal effort. The cleaning process is quick, though you will need to make sure you clean the mop brush after each use to keep it in top condition. As with any product, there are a few trade-offs. While it's excellent for light cleaning and hard floor surfaces, it's not the best option for thick carpets or deep cleaning heavy dirt. The battery life, while sufficient for average-sized homes, may require more frequent recharges if you're cleaning a large space in one go. And though the Crosswave does a good job at handling pet hair, if you have multiple pets or a home with high shedding, you might find yourself cleaning the brush more often. So how does it compare to other vacuums in this price range? There are several other models that aim to combine both vacuuming and mopping, but not all perform equally well on both fronts. The Crosswave, however, does a solid job at handling both tasks, offering good suction and decent mopping ability in one package. You might find other cordless vacuums with stronger suction, but they won't offer the same multi-surface functionality or the convenience of an integrated mop. Now let's talk about value for money. At its price point, the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Plus strikes a strong balance between performance, convenience, and versatility. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but when you factor in the dual functionality, vacuum and mop in one, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. If you're someone who wants a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum that can handle pet hair, dirt, and even wet messes on multiple surfaces, this model is a great choice. For those on the fence, some competing models like the Shark Vertex Cordless or even the Dyson V11 might offer stronger suction and longer battery life, but they lack the ability to mop as well as the Crosswave. On the flip side, if you're mainly looking for a vacuum that excels in just one task, these alternatives might be better suited for your needs. In terms of build quality, the Crosswave feels solid and durable. The plastic doesn't feel cheap, and the construction is pretty sturdy. The wand connections and brush roll design are reliable, and overall, this vacuum seems built to last, with routine maintenance being relatively low effort. If you're someone who values good customer support, Bissell has a strong reputation in the vacuum market. While I haven't had any direct interactions with their customer service team, Bissell generally has a positive track record for handling any issues or warranty concerns. To wrap it up, the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Plus is a versatile and convenient tool for people with mixed floor homes. It's ideal for light to medium cleaning tasks, especially in homes with pets. While it may not be the powerhouse you'd want for deep carpet cleaning, it's perfect for anyone seeking a multi-surface vacuum with the added bonus of mopping. It offers solid value, especially if you've been struggling with the hassle of switching between a mop and a vacuum. Thanks for watching today's review. If you want to grab the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Plus, check the comments box below for more details. Have you tried it already? Share your thoughts in the comments or ask any questions you might have. Until next time, remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore, but a breeze.